Playing Jan?
No plan.
Well, I'm Paul.
I'm Sue.
That's Sue. I'm Paul. Some more boxes. I've got stuff ready for the electrical system in the van. Still got a ton to do. I've got to get the van sorted tomorrow with the electricals. Then I've got to find an electrician to get the inverter fitted so it's wired into the full system. So it never stops. Tell you what, I'll be looking forward to this time next week when it's all done, finished, and we're on the road. So it's going to be really good. Anyway, until then, whoops, more traffic. Until then, we just got to persevere and do what we've got to do. So all the stuff you're taking out or the stuff you're putting in?
I'm trying to figure out whether the stuff that I want to bring in will fit where I want it to fit.
And if it doesn't?
If it doesn't, then I have to think of a plan B.
Okay. Interesting. Alright. Mind you, there's tons of storage in this van. We filled it up, we'd never pull the damn thing.
Yes. Right. Right, we can go back in the house for the time being.
Oh, I'll leave you to it.
Yeah. Just trying to make it all fit and make sure I've got everything we need.
Well, all this packing, I don't know how many trips we've done to the tip. How many trips have we done, you reckon?
5.
5 at least, and there's probably another 5 to come. But oh well, we'll get rid of the junk and rest all the good stuff.
I'm to do one every day this week.
I think so.
Sorry, but...
You do a bit. Oh, that's it. Just put your head down.
Hey, Buffett.
Robson. Hello. Well, lost count how many times we've been to this joint. Absolutely lost count. You don't realise just how much rubbish you accumulate, or things you think you're going to use one day and you never do. 5 years later it's still on the shelf. So a lot of trips here, and probably a couple more as we do the final clean-up. That'll be it. Okay, where do we start? How many more trips are these we're going to do?
At least one more a day.
Maybe more than one. One thing's going to be good. Once we get out of this Brisbane traffic, it's going to be nice. Looking forward to that. Well, that just put paid to a quick trip to the shed. Motorway is 20 k's an hour along the Logan. Never struck this before, but anyway, is what it is. 20 k's an hour is not ideal, but I won't get booked for speeding. But anyway, what do they say? It is what it is. Not far from the shed now.